Still painting.
Hey threestaz, it's Sisters 3, and today we're going to be making squishies.
And it's going to be based on Delish donut. And we have some real donuts over here. That looks a bit like her. My tummy just rumbled. I think I need to eat it now.
We have made our family has made a squidgy already. It's all painted and everything.
And it's DG Gift.
What is it?
DG Gift.
DG Gift. And we will get straight started on doing Delish donut.
But she's in world vacation now, season 8. I'm doing that one.
Right.
I'm doing the one with the hat, and they are doing the one with nothing.
We're doing this one. So we've gotten the circle for a body.
Yeah.
And we're gonna like put the hole in for the donut.
Yeah.
We got our scissors set.
Our trusty scissors.
It's from the brand Bright. It's a 4-pack. It's got scissors and like a little sewing kit. We are using this big packet of soft fuse foam that can, like, when you squish it, it goes back into its shape.
Okay, now once we did the holes, we can start painting. And this is my feet. You see?
Hey threestaz, we're back, and we have finished our donuts. Is that better, Jean? Your goal.
Yeah. And I can see you. I can see you. No, I can't. I can't this side. It's a telescope. I can see you. Yeah. You can see the sun with it.
If you guys want to know some of the things that we're going to be using today, this is a few of them. We're using a hairdryer to dry it off really quickly, so we won't have to wait.
And we're going to use this
we're going to be using the foam and all the acrylic paint. This one glows, but we won't be using all the colours because they're not all right. We're using the paint brushes. We're going to be using metallic and glossy paint. We're using this Linkcraft glue. And that's about it.
Yeah, and let's get painting.
The paints are fabric paints, not acrylic paints. Hey threestaz,
we're back.
I'm making the arms for my Delish donut.
And I painted mine all blue and Mama's smooth.
I'm gonna make my feet.
Right. Yeah. I'm doing the little feet blue. I'm feeling hungry. I usually see. Are you eating?
Yeah.
But we'll eat the donuts.
Oh yeah, since we're making donuts, it's perfect to eat them.
Yeah. On this donutty day. Yeah, donuts. It's called the day of the big grand donut.
Hey threestaz, this is the donuts. We're gonna break them apart. We're gonna break this one in half with our fingers.
Correct job.
How's that? They're the same, it's just a bit broken up.
Yeah.
There you go.
Donut. Trying to pick mine up. I'm gonna eat my donut. Here's my donut. Cookie! Monster! No, donut monster, I mean.
Okay, let's go back to work.
So good. Put some donut king.
Don't forget, threestaz, if you like Shopkins, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like, because we will definitely do more videos like this.
Yeah. Because they're super awesome. donut good.
Hey threestaz, we have gotten this special glow in the dark paint. It is it's a fabric paint. You can get it at most craft stores. It's a very good paint.
Type.
It's called, the brand is Tulip.
Tulip?
Yep. And
Is it like the
it's a
veggie?
paint brand. Like, it's probably a craft brand, I'd say. But if you put this paint under a layer of the other fabric paint, it won't glow. So yeah.
But this is the idea how we got to the Littlest donut was by CookieswirlC, because she's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
And pretty funny. So watch her videos as well.
She's very popular.
Yeah.
I'm sure you've already heard of her, but yeah.
I'm a big
If you
fan
haven't,
of her.
go check it out.
Yeah, she's a big fan. I'm a big fan too. Because I watch it all the time at mornings.
Hey threestaz, we are going to
to
fast track so that you don't get bored watching us paint and paint and paint. So we'll see when we are almost done.
Yeah.
See ya!
See ya. Still painting. This is actually pretty fun. Yep.
Don't leave here, don't. I'm making a purple because we haven't got one yet with pink and blue.
I'm using my little fan. I'm spreading the pink around.
Delise is using her frozen fan that she got that had jelly beans in it.
The jelly beans were under here and I ate them all.
Let's fast forward so you threestaz don't get bored. Let's go. Hey threestaz, we're back. We had a short break because we were waiting for the glue and the paint to dry, and so we could finish our lunch. I'm going to help paint Delice's face. Mine's complete. I was a bit
cut it out.
No, mine's all done. And I'm going to just fix up Delice's face because she doesn't know how to draw it yet.
But I'm going to be using
I'll do it
a
for her.
kebab stick just to help me with the eyes. Okay.
I'm gonna get some black paint and I'm just gonna draw the circle of the eye, but I'm gonna get rid of the excess paint because I don't want to make it a big blob.
This is how it looks. It's like, it's pretty funny. See? For a bit
We
more.
will show you some close-ups of the completed Shopkins after we finish touching up the rest of them.
I'm gonna wash this. Hi, threestaz. Check out other videos that you like. And this is one of our favorite videos, and please like it. Hi, threestaz. I'm gonna tell you a little story about us being a new town when we first got on YouTube. Well, last year we were on our iPads.
They had their iPads and they would go into their room with the little dolls and things that they used to play with, and they would video themselves being like, oh, look at the details, look at the pretty hair and the little crowns and the little rings. They would do this for hours and hours, and one day I was showing Dad some photos and we went into the videos that they were doing on their iPad, and so we decided to do a YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's
And I decided to do it with them.
because it will be fun.
Yep.
And it actually is pretty fun. All our videos, including mermaid ones and all that type of stuff.
If you like this video, definitely check out our other ones. They're definitely exciting as these ones.
And also the other reason why we did this is to unwrap toys like Shopkins and all of that stuff like catchables and all that. But the thing that we unwrapped the most was Shopkins, and we got a lot of them in that tin right there.
They love Shopkins.
Yeah.
So much. Hey threestaz, it's Sister 3. We have finished our Shopkins Squishies. We did Delish Donut. This is what the Shopkin looks like. We'll show you a close up at the end of the video. And we did a family one, and we did Gigi present. We'll show you a Gigi gift, and we will show you a close up of her as well. We hope you liked our video. Be sure definitely subscribe to our channel and leave us a big thumbs up. We are doing another video that will show you the full tutorial on how we made this. Like, it'll go step by step, sort of. We hope you liked our video. We'll see you on the next video. Bye YouTube, we love you.